Hi, and welcome to the course Learning React Native Development by Pact Publishing. I'm very excited to be your instructor and take you in this amazing journey towards learning mobile app development using the popular JavaScript framework React Native. My name is Mifta Sintaha, and I'm very passionate about the latest JavaScript frameworks that are out and about to make people's lives easier. And I've been a software engineer in Newscript for about 2 years now, a content creator at YouTube since 2014, and I've worked on various freelance projects on React Native for clients. I believe in sharing knowledge with the whole world, so I try to make tutorials on complex topics in the simplest ways possible. To find out more about my YouTube channel, you can go to the link www.youtube.com/miftasintahacs. You can also reach out to me by my Twitter handle and my Facebook page. Now, what is React Native? React Native is simply a JavaScript framework that lets you build cross-platform apps for both iOS and Android. Yes, you heard it right. One language to rule them all. A React Native app is not a hybrid app, so it's nearly indistinguishable from native apps built with Java or Swift. If you've always had the passion to learn mobile apps but are not willing to commit to a steep learning curve in studying Java or Swift, then this is the perfect course for you. This course will consist of a complete overview of developing stunning apps with React Native with useful examples. The first section focuses on setting up React Native in your machine using Expo and by running a simple Hello World application in the simulator. We'll also discuss how to set up your editor for better coding experience. In the second section, we'll explore how to style the React Native application using an example Instagram kind of app. The third section will focus on fetching dynamic data from a remote server, making the data in your application a bit more dynamic. The fourth section will cover the basics of Redux, why it's needed, and how to implement it in our existing app. The fifth section will cover the basics of authentication using Firebase. And finally, we'll build a CRUD app called IdeaPad to cover all the concepts like navigation and data storage and using external libraries for design. The prerequisites of this course is very simple. You just need to have basic JavaScript knowledge. No knowledge of ES6 syntax is needed, but it would be helpful. And React knowledge is helpful but not mandatory. And finally, mobile development knowledge is not needed. You just need a passion for learning new things. All the resources for this course will be found at my GitHub page with the repo Learning React Native. If you're stuck in any part of the code, any of the projects, feel free to just visit the GitHub page and you'll get all the details on how to debug your problems there. Now, without further ado, let's get started.